Writing a short story. Remember to refer back to the rubric during the writing process so that you're aiming for excellence. Read through the learning intentions and the success criteria. Remember, the idea is to develop your writing to have super imagery. A short story varies in length from 500 to 15,000 words. Ours, of course, are going to be shorter than 500. So just keep that in mind about when you're writing. These elements of a short story are really important that you understand each, and the following slides will help you understand what each means. The setting of a story really helps the plot, so think carefully about this as you are writing. Characters are developed through their actions, their words, and a little bit sometimes of description. But we don't need to have a whole big pile. He is a tall, skinny dude with green hair who likes to. You need to just make it so that it's an integral part of the story. Your plot needs to develop logically. And remember, the action in the plot is the climax, where it's getting to. You need to have it build sequentially, so planning is essential. Having a problem in the plot helps with the storyline. So you've got a situation, then you've got a resolution. The climax of the story is the key. That's where the excitement builds and builds and builds, and then you have the resolution. And the resolution just finishes the story off. Don't leave it hanging mid-air, but please do not do, and then they lived happily ever after. Grrr. Within your story, you always have a theme. It might be about bullies. It might be about overcoming the odds and great courage. So you need to think about this as you're developing your plot. The narrative is written from a particular point of view. For example, if your story is about an animal, that's the point of view from the main character of the story. Or it could be the point of view of the owner of the animal. So again, keeping this consistent throughout helps make your story more fluent and more believable. So as you write, these are the things that you are remembering. Have you included them? How can you make them better? A good short story is full of action, full of drama, and tells the story succinctly. Your challenge is to write a short story within the 300-word mark and just see how well you can get your message across. Use this resource to help you plan and write your story. Good luck.